For ORM subscribers, if you're looking for RTD options, and let's say you use Google a lot as the normal RTD and now you're an ORM subscriber, consider using the Google option under the API area, which is available for ORM subscribers. For Google with the API, you have all the same advanced options here if you expand that. But what you do need is an API key and a custom search engine ID, which can be a little bit of a wild goose hunt to find. So let me show you how you can set this up. Well, what I recommend is go to Google, type in programmable search engine, try to find this page, and go ahead and click on Get Started. And then it'll probably have you sign in, but this is where you want to be first. So you're going to create your own search engine. So you can name it really whatever you want. And then for what to search, I'm just going to have it search the entire web. And you can configure this how you want. I'm just going to do the basic settings here and then click on Create. And then the next thing I'm going to do is just skip past this page, go to Customize. And the first thing you'll want to take note of is the search engine ID. Copy this, and we're going to paste this back into Msty Studio, which back in Msty Studio is this value right here. So you're going to paste that value into the custom search engine ID. All right, let's go back to Google. And I'm going to just scroll down. This is where you could change the settings for your custom search engine. And what I'm looking for is where it says programmatic access at the very bottom. I'm going to click on Get Started. And then it'll take us to this page here. Click on Get a Key. And then you'll select or create a new project. Click on Next. And then Confirm and Continue. And at this step, it'll have a button where you could show your key. So what you'll do is expose your key, copy that, and then go back into Msty Studio and paste that API key in right here. And those are the variables we needed to set in order for this Google API option to work. So now let's go ahead and click on Use Google. And let's do a quick comparison between the standard Google RTD and the API option that ORM subscribers have access to. So I'm going to sync these two chats real quick. So I could just put in one search term. And let's ask, why do leaves fall? All right, and let's see what we get. So what I expect is the API option to return the results a lot quicker, which is what we're seeing here. And then on the left, since there's a lot of backend activity going on, it's going to return the results a little bit slower. So now we see both the results coming in. And I'm not really too worried about the quality of the response. I am using the same model, and it looks like it's choosing to answer in a couple different ways. But it also looks like I think that we got some more results back from the API method. This is one thing I've kind of noticed with Google lately, is it's not pulling the same number of results that it used to. This is due to a lot of back and forth between Google changes something, they push out a lot of breaking changes, and then it's up for us to see what those breaks are and try to fix it. So it's a lot more of a cat and mouse chase with that standard RTD option, whereas the API option is a lot more stable, it's a lot more performant, it's a lot more consistent, and I would recommend to any ORM subscriber, if you're using just the standard Google method, might as well use the API method instead.